Hey guys, we all know the feeling. You've spent days putting together the coolest DIY lighting setup for the holidays. You have everything working, your power tools are humming, the lights are up, you even got the pool on it, everything's on it, and then it pours about 2 weeks later and it all goes to crap. It's all shorting out, it's a fire hazard, or my personal nemesis, the gardener. I don't know what it is with their machines, but they love cutting up my wires and I need to armor them. I want to show you something today that's not a sexy answer, but in traveling to 52 countries, I have learned that the unsexy equipment is frequently the most important. So in front of me here is a variety of products from Flemoon, and I am using these myself to defeat those gardeners. Let me show you how I'm using each of them, how they work, and how they can improve your life. Okay, first up, this mess, which as you can see is getting water damaged, and I have had to replace this because the gardener has attacked it already. So let's use this nice big box to clean this all up. Use is simple, so just so you know, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ports where you could have wires come and go, and the kit includes some replacement of these, so if you should wear them out over time, you could put fresh ones on there. And additionally, how cool is this? So when you put the wire through, it grabs the wire and won't pull out. How genius and smart is that? All right, let's do it. Let's actually do this. For my purposes, I'm going to put the ports facing out the back. Let's take this, put this in here, grab it right there, like, oh, I can't believe I've never seen this before in my life, because this is freaking genius. Look at this. Put that in there. And then finally this one, go like so. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4 wires inside. Look at that. Let me show you how it looks up close. Okay, this is my wire, my power supply coming in, going out to other lights, and then these also going out to other lights. Look at how clean this is compared to the mess it was. Look at how much better that looks. This is brilliant. I can't believe this is the first time I'm seeing it, and how easy it is to use. You should absolutely smash that hype feature right now. Smash that hype feature, and then you should get this for yourself. There's a link here on the screen or down below. Both work the same way. Neither one costs you anything extra to use. If I've added some value, and I have to have added value here, give the video a like, follow the channel, and if you have any questions about this, look at that, it's just beautiful. If you have any questions about this, throw it in the comments. I'm happy to give you my best advice. Hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next video.